Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use min and max function in Excel and also where to use min and max function in Excel. So for that, I have prepared an example, this table, okay. So this is student name and this is their marks, okay. Now assume that this is class 7th student name and their marks. So now I want to find out the minimum mark of this class, okay. So what you have to do, you have to use this min function equals to min, then you have to select the whole column. So minimum marks this class get is 64. Now for the maximum you have to use this max, okay. To find out max number or maximum number this class get, just select the column, whole column, and now so 95 is maximum mark. So like this you can use this min function and max function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.